I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Huwag kang humulan.
And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself. Said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long.
Hindi, nakakakute na. Hindi, nakakakute na.
Make it everything I intended. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long.
Ang unang tanong ko sa inyo, JB, at Maalsa, ang inyo bang desisyon na magpakasal sa isa't isa ay malaya at pusang loob?
Yes po.
Yes!
This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, shine, shine.
Ang best man ko, ang
This is
bigat.
my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Tell ya I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Hi. I really don't know how to start. 11 years and we're finally here. We're about to begin our happily ever after story.
Una sa lahat, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 11th anniversary. 11 years of love. Hindi ko sukat akalain na dati lang nag-umpisa tayo sa tuksuan hanggang sa nagkatuluyan and finally napunta rin sa kasalan.
Thank you for being consistent since the very first day. Napakaswerte ko na hindi ako binigyan ng maraming heartbreaks ni God or Allah. Coming from a broken family, you knew I was scared. And I always felt that there was losing part of myself. But you complete me. Ang dasal ko lang noon, Ya Allah, I prayed na sana yung magiging first ko. Yung makakahawak ng unang kamay ko. Ayun yung mapapakasama ko. And I'm happy it's you. Because I can't imagine anyone else but you.
Kumahan ha? Walang to. Brother! Salamat sa pagiging nurse tuwing may sakit ako. Salamat sa pagiging lawyer sa tuwing inaapi ako. Salamat sa pagiging chef sa masarap na mga luto mo. Salamat sa pagiging accountant mo sa tuwing nahihirapan ako sa mga bills at pag-budget. At higit sa lahat, salamat sa pagiging best buddy sa lahat ng bagay.
I choose you.
Sa 11 years, ang dami-dami nating pinagdaanan. Hindi na natin alam kung anong dapat natin unahin at i-priority. Ay yung pressure sa ating dalawa. Pero ito, nalagpasan natin. We made it. At na-survive natin. Alhamdulillah.
Union, we will move mountains, we will live on our knees.
I just want to let you know that I'm very, very proud of you. I'm proud of every milestone that we achieved. Since high school to college, nagka-work, and now finishing our master's degree and starting to build our own family. Thank you, sweetie love, for being patient with me. Sabi nga nila, napaka-imposible, pero posible. Thank you because you always made me feel beautiful when I feel so insecure about myself. At sabi nila, bakit ako? Sweetie, I don't know what the future holds us, but I know that I've never been happier than I'm in the moment where you.
Natupad din ang pangarap natin maikasal. And now, you're my officially lovely, beautiful wife. And now, I'm your officially husband. And I'm very lucky to be your husband.
Choose you.
Sweetie love, my first and last, my partner in crime, my foodie and karaoke buddy, my high school sweetheart, and now my husband. I love you and happy 11th year anniversary.
Alam ko hindi biro yung susunod na kabanata na ating pagsasama, but today and every day forward, I promise to stand by your side as your partner. And I promise, anumang hirap ng buhay at anumang pagsubok pa ang dumating sa atin, alam ko malalagpasan natin ang magkasama. Thank you for being my confidant, my partner, and the love that colors my world.
Now that I'm standing in front of you as your wife, I want you to know that for the rest of my life, I will love you with all my heart. I will honor, love, and respect your parents, no matter what. I will always work to be better and better for us with our family. As your wife and mother of our future kids, I love you always.
And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.